5 things you should know before you get a hamster. Hamsters don't see the full spectrum of colors. They mostly rely on their keen sense of smell and hearing. Hamsters are nocturnal animals. They sleep 12 to 14 hours a day. Hamsters are incredibly agile and can run both forward and backward on their wheel or across flat surfaces. Hamsters are pros at escaping. Always make sure you have a secured enclosure. The enclosure should have at least 800 square inches of floor space, 100 by 50 centimeters. Hamsters can eat insects. They are actually healthy for them because of the protein, but be careful, some of them can be toxic. Thank you for watching.